Welcome, welcome to the weirdest lesson that we will have in abstract algebra probably all semester. So I'd like to take a minute to introduce you to my assistants today. We've got Cinderella, Ariel, Belle, Merida, Rapunzel, Anna, and Elsa. That's in this big arch going around the outside. Now, in order to prove a point to you a little bit later on, I also have two unique helpers, but I'm labeling them as unique because, as you can see, these toys have been very well loved by my children, and as such, I don't have all the right dresses for all of the princesses. So I've got Tiana right here. Unfortunately, my daughters have lost her beautiful Tiana dress, and so she's wearing a borrowed one from another Ariel we've had. And then we have someone over here that I'm going to call Weird Elsa. She also doesn't have her dress, but has the dress that Elsa wears in Frozen Fever. So these two assistants I'm going to call Weird Elsa, and then Tiana. Tiana's not weird, she just doesn't have her dress, which is why you might not recognize her. So these are my assistants today, and they're going to help us to understand a concept in abstract algebra. So if you take a look at these beautiful princesses, they have a property that their dresses are interchangeable. I could take this dress off of Tiana and this dress off of Elsa, and I can switch them around. And everybody's dress still fits. So all of these dresses can be exchanged, and in fact, that's what we want to envision that our princesses want to do. They all want to take turns trying on each other's dresses in order to get some very different fashion choices. So up on my screen here, I've listed who the princess is in the top line and who they're going to give the dress they're currently wearing to in the bottom line here. So this is the princess that starts with a dress on, and this is the princess that ends with that dress on. And luckily for me, in this diagram, Weird Elsa was meant to give her dress to Tiana, and Tiana was meant to give her dress to Weird Elsa. So I'm just going to take a moment, and I'm going to complete the rest of this action where everybody exchanges dresses. And then I need to move the dresses around, so Cinderella's dress is going to go over here by Rapunzel. Ariel's dress is going to go over here by Anna. Belle's dress is going to come over here by Merida. Merida's dress is going to come over here by Ariel. Rapunzel's dress is going to come over here by Elsa. Anna's dress is going to go over here by Belle. Elsa's dress is going to head over to Cinderella, and that'll take care of it. So everyone can put their dresses back on now. So, ta-da! Here they all are after exchanging dresses according to the rule that we have up here on the screen. And it doesn't even matter what dresses they have on, we know what princess is giving their dress to whom. And so we could shuffle these up one more time. Ta-da! Now the question that I'd like to ask right now is we've now shuffled the dresses that we were looking at 2 times. how would I undo the action that I just did? So imagine that the dresses that the ladies had on just one round before were their dresses, their permanent dresses, and they've lent out their garments in the order that we had envisioned according to this table right here, and now we want everyone to give their dresses back. Take a minute, pause, and think about how we would do that. And now that you're unpausing, the answer should be clear from this table. Instead of reading this table top to bottom, if we'd like to undo the exchange of dresses, we should go from the bottom to the top. For example, Rapunzel should give whatever dress she's wearing to Cinderella. And Anna should give whatever dress she's wearing to Ariel. And we should continue in that way across this bottom row, and we'll be able to undo the action that was taken the last time we exchanged dresses. So let's do that. And don't forget about Tiana and Weird Elsa. Tiana should give her dress to Weird Elsa, and Weird Elsa should give her dress to Tiana. And we've undone the motion that we just did from using this exact same table.